share with you if you haven't got any bus from DFO Homebush, and I will share with you how to get there on foot from DFO to either Homebush train station or Strathfield train station. Okay, if you want to know, don't go where, stay tuned, you will find out. Bye bye. This is Homebush, DFO Homebush, direct factory outlet Homebush near Sydney Olympic Park. I have been waiting for the bus since 5:40 until now. I haven't got any, and I just checked from the Trip View app. The bus will come around 6:15, and I just decided to walk from DFO to Homebush train station or Strathfield train station. Okay, so along the way, this street, you will walk until the end of this street. So this street is Underwood Road, and you will pass Mason Park. Also, you will pass around that office building. This is office building in Homebush area. So this suburb already belongs to Homebush. So this is still Mason Park, and you just keep walking, go straight there. So you will be passing the Catholic Church, the Our Lady of Assumption. So this is M4. It used to be a freeway for everyone, but they just changed. You have to pay with the e-toll. This is a shortcut. So we have arrived here. We have arrived at Homebush train station. This is Homebush train station.